She's scared. What's over there?
All right.
Woo!
Did it? Jump.
She's like, I'm not moving.
Luca. Luca, do this thing. Luca. Luca. You're out. You didn't make it to the base. We're getting Luca to jump off this thing. Luca, go flip. Go that way. This way, out this way, so we can get you. Sorry, Sue. Look at that guy, do the backflip. Woo! Yeah, that was a nice backflip. Head first, head first. Oh, okay. He's got to work his way up there. Hey! Yeah? Sure. Try to get out right there. Can you see what you're filming? Hold it a little higher up on the yellow thing. Like put your hand higher up, yeah. And you see what you're looking at? Look, here, film Luca getting out of the water. Go over and say hi to him. Be like, watch where you walk. Enzo's doing flip off over there. Go around, Christian. There you go. Yeah. Hey, how was it, Luca?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Slippery?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Pretty
Are you gonna go off, maybe do a flip or jump off the thing?
Like,
all right, we'll film it. This is Uncle Neil reporting from the Margate Adventure Aquarium. We got Luca, we got Blaine, we got Raylyn, we got Enzo. I got my man Bo helping me with the camera. Like and subscribe.
Do I just flip it around?
Yeah, if you want to say something to it.
Hi.
What would you like to say?
I just said hi.
You just said hi. Okay.
Huh?
Okay, should we stop it now?
It's off.
That's okay.